Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic power and connectivity so you don't waste time. Check that both earbuds and case report charge. Use the phone battery widget if available. Once confirmed, clean the contact pins and mesh because dirt causes poor charging. Use a dry cotton swab gently. Next, make sure the earbud firmware and companion app are updated because manufacturers fix battery bugs in updates. After updating, fully charge the case and earbuds before continuing. Now you dig into settings and behavior to find hidden drains. Turn off power-hungry features like ANC, ambient mode, voice wake, and gaming low latency, then test battery life with those off. This shows if features are the cause. Make a one earbud test, use left only, then right only, and record % loss over 10-20 minutes so you can spot an imbalance. Also check the phone's Bluetooth codec and background apps that stream audio, because an inefficient codec or persistent streaming can double drain. Finish by trying device-level resets and hardware swaps that often solve residual drain. Perform a factory reset or recalibration following the maker's exact steps, and then test battery behavior with stock charger and cable to rule out power delivery faults. If you still see uneven drain, swap earbuds between left and right charging bays to confirm case or bud fault, and contact support or arrange a battery/module replacement. If nothing works, one quick tip: boot another phone to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.